and share and subscribe and like.
In this video, you will learn about division of an algebraic expressions. Friends, you are familiar with how to divide by a number to a number, but here we will see when there are two algebraic quantities, two algebraic expressions, then how the process of division carried out. Suppose we want to divide minus minus 26 p q r square by 13 p q p raised p q q raised to 4 and r. That means we write it as minus 26 p q r square divided by 13 p q raised to 4 and r. Okay, so minus 26 divided by 13. First we write this number divided by an number, integer divided by an integer. Now see the like quantity we have here is p, and in the denominator we have pq. Okay, in the numerator we have q, and also in the denominator we have q raised to 4. In the numerator we have r square, and in the denominator we have r. Easily we know that 13 to the 26. So this division will give us minus 2. And friends, you know from the factor of indices, when the base is similar and in the division there is a subtraction of power. Okay, therefore power of this p is 1. If there is nothing, then it is not shown, then it is a 1. So we write this as a p raised to 1 minus 3. Similarly here, here q power of q or indices of q is a 1, then q raised to 1 minus 4 and r 2 minus 1 equal to minus 2 into p raised to 1 minus 3 minus 2 q raised to 1 minus 4 minus 3 and r. So when the power is in the new power is this indices is a negative, write that quantity in the denominator. Therefore we have 2 and this r is positive, and in the denominator we get p square into q cube. So here this is a simple division where the two quantities are monomials. Okay, if we have a polynomial and we want to divide by a monomial, uh, let us see how the process of division is. Suppose we have 4y cube plus 5y square plus 6y, and we want to divide by 2y. That is like this 4y cube plus 5y square plus 6y divided by 2y. Now see the numerator, friend. You can see that we can easily take y common. Okay, so that is 4 into y plus into y, once again into y cube is there, plus 5 into y plus 6 into y divided by 2 into y equal to y. Let us take one y common. One y common, if we take one y common, we have 4 into y square plus 5 into y plus 6 divided by this 2y. Now this y and this y will get cancelled, and we have here 4 divided by 2 into y square. Now divide each quantity by these 2, plus 5 divided by 2 into y plus 6 divided by 2. Now you can see we do not have a variable, and therefore we have separately divided by this number 2, or you can separately divide each quantity by 2y also. There is nothing complications. Then you know that this 2 2s are 4, so first term is 2y square, but 5 is not divisible by 2, so keep it as it is, and we have 5 by 2 y. Again 6 is divisible by 2, so we get here 3, and we have this a simple expression. Now let us take one more example. Divide 24 into a square bc plus a b square c plus a b c square by 6 a b c. It is like this: 24 into b into c plus b into c plus a into b into c into c divide by 6 a b c. So every term contain a. Here is a, here is a, here is a. So take that a common. 24 into a. Again every term contain b. B is here, b is here, b is here. We are cancelling b since we have taken common term, that c is here, c is here, and c is here. So we have c. Then write down the remaining terms. In the very first term we get a plus b plus c divided by 6 into a b c, and you know that 6 fours are 24, and this ABC and this ABC will be cancelled, and we have 4 into a plus b plus c. So this is the simple division process. Again let us take one more example. Suppose the denominator or the division contains an factor or a polynomial. Suppose we want to divide 7m square by 14m, and division is m plus 2. It is like 7m square, here is 14, plus 14m divided by m plus 2. Okay, this is 7 into m plus 14 means 7 into 2 into m divided by m plus 2 equal to, see here, first term I'll have a 7, second term have a 7, so let us take 7 common. Again here is m, here is m, so take that m common. If we take m common, write the remaining terms m plus 2 divided by m plus 2. Okay friend, now cancel out this same factor m plus 2 m plus 2, and we will get a 7m. So this is a simple process of division by a polynomial. Suppose again we have x raised to 4 minus 5x cube minus 24x square, and we want to divide this by x square minus 8x. Okay, so this is x raised to 4 minus 5x cube minus 24x square divided by x square minus 8x equal to x raised to 4. X raised to 4 means x into x into x into x minus 5 into x into x into x minus 24 into x divided by x square, x into x minus 8 into x equal to, you can see that here is x, here is x, and here is x. So take that x common, x into again x, x, and x, again taking x common, we have x into what remains, x into x, that is x square minus 5 into x minus 24 divided by, in the denominator we can see that this x and this x, we can take x common, we have x minus 8. Now this x and this x again cancelling, we have x into x square minus 5x minus 24 divided by x minus 8. Now we will see this is a trinomial, x square minus 5x minus 24 and minus 24, so we need two numbers such that whose product is 24, and this is a product, and whose sum is minus 5, minus 24 and minus 5, sum is minus 5. So if we take 6 into 4, right, suppose this is minus, then 6 into minus 4, that will be 24, but minus 6 plus 4 will gives us a 2. Okay, again if we take minus 8 and 3, then 8 and 3, 8 3s are 24, minus 24, and minus 8 plus 3 will gives us a minus 5. So we divide this we write this factor x square minus 5x means minus 8 into x plus 3 into x minus 24 divided by x minus 8 equal to x into take x common, in the numerator we have x minus 8 plus 3 common, x minus 8 divided by x minus 8, again x minus 8 common, so x into x minus 8, and the remaining term is x plus 3 divided by x minus 8. X minus 8, x minus 8 will cancel, and we remain with x into x plus 3. So this is the answer of division, x into x plus 3.
Hello guys, thank you for watching video.